alliterates these exams, and this is the newest with the Pellet machine. This model is YGKJ560. The capacity is 1.5 to 2 tons/hour. This one is your customer requirement. So let's see what is the new style with Pellet machine. First, this cover of the pellet mill. This is the stainless steel, so it can use a long time. The hot steam will not damage it. Second, this motor and reducer will place in the pellet room, so when you do some maintenance, it will be easier. And here, this cover and this cover is very easy to open. So when you check the roller and the ring die, the running situation, and when you do some maintenance, you can easily take it out and check inside. And then this is a complete with a pellet machine. And this with the pellet machine is total weight is 5.5 tons. It's very heavy, 5.5 tons. And only the gearbox, the green part, it is 1.5 to 1.8 tons. It's very heavy and very strong. And look at this part. This is the automatic lubricant pump. This is the automatic lubricant pump. Inside it, we put some grease. All the grease will feed in by this pump, and all the grease will feed into the roller and the big rotary bearing here. It can work automatically. And this blue part is the big fine cooling system. It can reduce the temperature of the gearbox oils. And this one is the main motor of the pellet machine. You have two choices. You can use 90 kW or 132 kW. The price is different. And check this part. Between the motor and the gearbox, we don't let them connect directly. We make a clutch here. There is a clutch inside it. So when you remove the motor or do some maintenance, it will be easier. And another part is here. This is a good design. This is the oil sensors. So if there is oil pass, it will show the signal to the electric box. Once the oil pipe is jammed, then there is no signal pass. The electric box will alarm. Then you should do some maintenance. So this part is very important. Finally, when you see the water pellet machine, you can see there is two holes here. One hole is on the top, yeah, and another hole is on the side. Okay, so why there is two holes here? Because we will connect the dust collection system. We use the bags and the cyclone to make a dust collection system. So we make two pipes. One pipe connected here. The pipe will remove all the hot steam from the pellet machine. So this hole to remove all the hot steam. Another pipe will connect this hole. It will remove all the dust. So we use the suction system to collect all the hot steam and dirty dust. So this is how it works. And this way, here we open a gearbox to show the inside structure. So this is similar gearbox with my pellet machine. Inside the gearbox, there are 8 bearings and 4 shafts and 3 gears. The main shaft there are 4. Number 1 shaft, number 2 shaft, number 3, and number 4. Totally 4 shafts. For the big gears, there are 3. This is the number 1 gear, number 2 gears, and number 3 gears. And on each shaft we have 2 bearings. One is on top and one is on the bottom. So totally there it varies. So when it works, we will put oils inside the gearbox, and while the drive by the main motor, the all shaft in here will rotate one by one, and we make the speed ratio about 1.20. So for example, for the machine, the main motor, the RPM is about 1,400 RPM. So the rotary speed for the main shaft will be just 75 RPM. Yeah. And this way, here is the inside structure of the particle machine. The machine model is YGKJ560, and the main motor power is 132 kW. The capacity is 1.52 to 2 ton power. So this is the inside structure of the pellet machine. Our machine is the vertical ring die pellet mill. It's different with Europe. For Europe, they like to use a horizontal ring die. That is different with this. So how does my machine work? We feed in some sawdust, then the ring die is fixed. The ring die doesn't move. But the main shaft will rotate and take the roller to rotate. So the roller will press all the sawdust to the ring die and make it pellet. That is how it works. This way. And now we will see the electric box. This is our electric box. At each side, there is a flow chart on the electric box on the surface. So we mark the location of every motor, and we write its name by Chinese and English, and we mark the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you operate the machine, even you have no experience, you know how to run it. Yes, you just click all the switch one by one. For example, when you run the machine, you just click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the machine will run automatically. When you plan to stop the machine, you just click number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One by one, it will stop the machine. And on the surface of the electric box, there is a voltage digital show and there is a for feeding speed. You can control the feeding speed manually. You can make it. You can increase the speed or slow down it. It's very easy to control. And when we open the electric box, we will see there is a PLC program here. The green part is a PLC. Its function to automatically control the feeding speed. Sometimes you see when feeding a lot of raw materials, the machine running ampere will be very high. It's damage for the motor. So this system will control to slow down the feeding speed to make the ampere reduce and to protect the motors. Of course, we can also make a soft start only on the red box to protect the motors. And this is the frequency for control the feeding speed. So this is our electric box. And here we have two digital show. Here shows the oil temperature, and here shows the machine running ampere. We make a limit here. Once the oil temperature is very high, it's over 110 degrees. Here will alarm. It will alarm. You will know, oh, something happened. You should do some maintenance and you should stop the machine. And here show the machine running ampere. If the ampere is very high over the limit, it also alarm. Teach you you should stop the machine. And once some problem happens, you should cut down the electric and stop the machine. You just press here. Stop it. You rotate it, it can work again. Stop. Yeah, this is the emergency switch. Okay, I think you know a lot detail of my machine, and if you have new question, you can ask me again. One more thing, we check the spare part. Yeah, as you asked me, a machine includes a lot of spare parts. So this is the ring die. Ring die is one of the most important spare parts. This is the old type, it's always steel. And this one is the new stainless steel ring die. Its using life is 1,000 to 1,200 hours. And this one is the roller. Roller is another important spare part. You can buy a complete roller, or you can just buy the roller wrap and the roller cover. When I make the quotation, I make the spare parts list already. You can check the using life and price there. Thank you. And waiting for your more questions. Keep in touch. Bye bye.